Hi there, once again welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create this interactive map using Excel. So this is actually the 50 states in America, and then you can see here, if you point your cursor there, it's going to show you the population for that state. So you can see California here, we have a 39 million. We have Texas over here. You can select a particular state and then you get the map for that state alone. So this is for California, and then you get the population. You can select for Alabama, you get a map for that particular state, and then you get the population as well. Arizona, you do that and then you get that. So this is actually going to be very interactive. For Florida, you get that, and you can select a range of states and then you get the map for that particular one as well. So this is actually the complete map for the state, and then we're going to do this using Excel. My data is actually from worldpopulationreview.com, so that's the data I'm going to use to create this interactive table. And this is the raw data, and at first we need to convert this data into a table. So select anywhere within your data and then press Ctrl+T and then click OK in order to convert this data into a table, and then select any style for this particular data. So the table, you can select any style, and I'm going to select this. And then the next thing we need to do is to insert a slicer. So click here and then let's select the state and then click OK. Go ahead and increase the column to about 3. So I'm going to increase the column to about 3, and then make sure you open this, just expand this in order to make your states very visible. So this is actually going to look like this. Now we can go ahead and change this to also match the table design to have something like this. The next thing we want to do is to insert our map. In order to do that, select the states and then the population, and then go to the insert tab right here and then go to maps, and then you can click on this in order to add your map. So this is actually going to be our map. So remove the title, let's remove the title, and let's also remove this from here. And then the next thing you want to do is that you can also select the color here to match your design. So you can pick a color here, so I can select the color here, and then just make sure whatever color you feel is okay for you, just go ahead. So I'll select this to match all my design. Now you can enlarge this a bit, but for now the next thing I want us to do is we need to display this data on our map. So right click on this table and go to format plot area. So click on this, and then here all we need to do is click on this drop down arrow and then go to series population, select that, and then click on this, and then under series option expand this, and then for map labels select this option and then go to show all. Immediately this is going to display all the states on your map. So you can see here the states are now very visible on our map. The next thing I want us to do is that let's select our slicer and then the map. Let's copy this and then open a new worksheet and then paste it right here. And then now what we'll do is that we can now expand our map so it can cover a very big area, and then go to view option here. You can go to the view option and then remove the grid line, and this is going to give you something like this. So you can see our map is now very interactive. But at the moment, if you point your cursor, you can see we can actually add a separator, so we can easily mention the figure over there. So you can actually come back here within the population option, and then make sure you go to under number, make sure you go and then select the number option and then include use thousand separator and then no decimal. So when you do something like this, you can see it's going to format our numbers for us. So this will make it easy for you to even mention your number. So here you can see if you point to California, you're going to see 39,899,400. So you can see everything. You go to Montana, you see everything well formatted. The figures are formatted. If you want a specific state for Alabama, you can select that and you see the map for Alabama, for instance, for over 5 million. Arizona is there. You can select that and you see the map for Arizona. When you scroll down, you see the other state as well. Virginia is here. When you select the map of Virginia, you see that as well. That's close to about 9 million. So basically, this is how to create an interactive map using Excel. The step is quite very easy. Subscribe and let me know at the comment section the next video you want me to create on Excel, and then give me a recommendation. Give me a thumb up if you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So you can click this and then this will give you a complete map as well. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Till I come your way again, Bye bye.